Imagine this, you're making $10,000 every month just by using Instagram. No boring 9 to 5, no grueling hours, and definitely no commute. Sounds unreal, right? But here's the twist, it's not. People just like you are doing it every day. So, how would you like to turn your Instagram feed into a cash flow machine? Now, before you say, I don't have a huge following, or I don't know where to start, let's clear something up. You don't need millions of followers, and you don't need to be a marketing expert. All you need is a plan, and that's exactly what I'm here to give you. All right, enough talk. Let's get into the exact steps to go from $0 to $10,000 per month on Instagram. You won't want to miss a single step because they're all connected. Skip one, and you're leaving money on the table. The first step to making serious money on Instagram: picking a niche that you're either passionate about or that has a crazy demand. Here's why. Having a niche not only helps you stand out, but it also attracts the exact followers you'll need to make money. Ask yourself, what do people already love to see from me? What am I really good at? Or what's trending that I could jump on? And no, just posting my cute dog isn't a niche, unless you're turning that cuteness into cash. But how do you make sure your niche actually pays off? That brings us to forget about a massive follower count. What you want is a loyal audience that trusts you and will engage with your content. Think about it. 10,000 engaged followers are way more valuable than 100,000 ghost followers. Your audience needs to see you as a trusted source in your niche, not just another pretty feed. To do this, you have to create value. But here's a question. How many of us actually follow people we trust versus just scroll past? Exactly. So, start posting the kind of content that makes people pause. Tips, advice, stories, things that make them feel like they're part of something exclusive. Speaking of exclusivity, let's move on to Act 2, where things start getting interesting. Once you have an engaged following, you're ready for the big leagues, sponsored content and brand deals. This is where companies pay you to promote their products because they want access to your audience. Here's the trick, though. You can't just accept any brand deal. Make sure it's relevant to your niche and, even more importantly, authentic to you. Sponsored posts work best when your audience genuinely believes in what you're promoting. Ever seen an influencer push some random product that doesn't match their brand at all? Yeah, we're avoiding that. To land the right deals, create a media kit, a quick summary of your stats and what makes your audience unique. But what if I told you there's an even better way to make money that doesn't rely on brands? This is where you can make serious, sustainable income by selling your own products or services. From online courses to ebooks to digital products, there are endless possibilities. If you're into fitness, offer personalized workout plans. Into photography, sell presets or tutorials. This isn't just about making a quick buck. It's about creating real value for your audience. Plus, let's be real. Why work for other brands when you could be promoting your own? Okay, so now that we've covered the big money makers, let's dive into the final act, where I'll share the exact strategy to scale this up to $10,000 a month. Here's one of the quickest ways to grow both your audience and income. Collaborate with other creators. Cross-promotions can introduce you to thousands of potential followers overnight, and that means more reach for future brand deals and more eyes on your products. But don't just DM every influencer in your niche. Be strategic. Reach out to those with similar-sized audiences and create something mutually beneficial. You could do an Instagram Live together, run a giveaway, or create a joint challenge. The goal is to expand your network and multiply your income sources. And speaking of multiplying, here's the most underrated strategy that's key to hitting $10,000 a month. To hit that 5-figure milestone, you need to diversify. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Relying solely on brand deals is risky. One dip in engagement and suddenly your income drops. Instead, think of Instagram as a hub. Have brand deals, sell your products, promote affiliate links, and maybe even start a membership or Patreon. Think of it like a buffet. If you only eat the bread, you're missing out on the good stuff. By diversifying, you build a safety net. And that's exactly how you turn a monthly income of $1,000 into $10,000. So there you have it, the roadmap to making $10,000 a month from Instagram. To recap, choose a niche, grow a loyal following, work with brands, sell your products, collaborate with others, and diversify. Follow these steps, and you'll be on the path to a truly profitable Instagram journey. And hey, if you're serious about building wealth, you'll want to check out my previous videos on my channel. Trust me, if you're making money, this is the secret to making that money work for you. Click here, and I'll see you there.